got me a new stand I'm gonna try out, and I got a winter cover. As you probably see on my Instagram, I got a new winter cover instead of my old Duramax. I just put a cardboard thing behind the grill, which did fine, but it's not as good as the actual cover is. But yeah, I'm gonna show you how to install real quick. And I even got new stand for my camera, so I don't have to carry it around and you can actually see what I'm doing. Okay, so how you do it is you're just gonna put these little hooks and these little or like they're like basically fillers, so they go into these parts of the headlight. This is actual a GM one. This is not some or some aftermarket stuff, but these clips go underneath. See how they gonna go, little hooks, they go right underneath here and they clip behind it, but it doesn't take that long to put on. So then yeah, these ones are actually built, they're from GM. They're not just some random. I've seen the ones where you have to put Velcro or screw in buttons that like kind of snap on. I go here, but I don't like that because it just looks tacky to me. But yeah, here we go. Here we go. So what I'm gonna do is put this on. You want to put these little tabs inside here. Put them in here. Actually, start them. It's a little easier. Tabs in here. Put these little pocket things in here. If I can get them in. There we go. Right in there. And then from the little things I showed you, they're right there. So then you like this. You put it in there. Put it in here. Put it in there. And then there. Then from there. Shoot them in there. Put them in there. But that it fits great. Helps my coolant temps. Like goes from, usually only took me like an hour of driving to get up to temp, but now it only takes me 20 minutes, if that. But yeah, it also has the embossed right there. You can see the Chevy bow tie. But yeah, it works a lot better than my cardboard dealio. Yep, a lot better. Get one, especially if you live here. So in the winter time, which right now it's not snowing or anything, kind of sucks, but whatever.